Ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor for me to be here today and to discuss with you the future of the European research area. And I would like to thank the European Commission for inviting me, although I'm not an economist, I'm just a physicist, but I do work in the real economy. And today I will be speaking on behalf of Business Europe, as the main horizontal business organization at the EU level, representing 20 million companies from 35 countries through its 41 member federations. Developing an ERA framework is a necessary precondition for taking full advantage of all the efforts at regional, national and European levels to deliver in a concerted way excellent research and innovative solutions for Europe. And since its creation in 2000, the ERA has moved in the right direction. But today, I would like to focus on the challenges that still lie ahead of us. I'll focus on 5 issues. The supply of competent and well-qualified researchers is crucial for companies to be able to invest in R&D activities in Europe. Competition from other parts of the world is strong. The lack of competence, especially in science, technology and engineering, will be one of the main obstacles to economic growth in the coming years. And addressing this shortage from the earliest phases in the educational system is necessary. Cooperation between education providers and business will be vital, also for ensuring the relevance of the studies in those fields. The mobility of R&D staff can be improved. Europe does not attract enough highly skilled workers from other parts of the world. Member States should therefore focus on making Europe more attractive for this purpose. The long and complex admission procedures from third country nationals moving to the EU for employment currently hampers this process, also for highly skilled jobs. Furthermore, intra-corporate transfers of R&D staff should be facilitated. The Marie Sklodowska-Curie actions effectively stimulate exchanging and migrating researchers as the prime carriers of knowledge between the public sector and the private sector. The inclusion in Horizon 2020 of the Industrial Doctorate Scheme, as currently being piloted in FP7, is very welcome to the business sector. For effective public-public partnerships, such as joint programming, the instruments currently available in the ERA for pooling national funding in transnational collaborative research projects should be improved in respect to 3 important aspects. First, synchronizing national project funding between countries. Second, balancing the oversubscription levels between countries. And third, as mentioned already by one of the other speakers, reconciling national and common interest in the joint selection of proposals. Providing transparency and a communication platform about the different national research and innovation strategies would also help improving coordination across Europe. Industrial competitiveness can be supported through different approaches. Addressing societal challenges as proposed by the Commission for Horizon 2020 will represent major business opportunities for many companies. Hence, it will simultaneously boost competitiveness of European business, foster economic progress and societal progress, and create jobs and growth. However, coordination through the ERA must allow Europe to develop the critical mass to be needed to be a world leader in these key areas. And finally, the ERA should support the general objective of empowering the research and innovation capacity of regions currently underperforming in Europe. However, we do not think that Horizon 2020 should aim at promoting regional and national convergence in terms of our research and innovation capabilities across Europe, nor should it attempt at balancing geographically the available funding. Actually, it is the European cohesion funding policy that must develop competencies and build infrastructures in the field of research and innovation. This will help eligible regions to catch up and eventually be able to secure more funding from Horizon 2020. In addition, the structural funds can also support those regions in benefiting from the most advanced technologies developed elsewhere in Europe by procuring the latest innovative products and services for addressing the societal needs and challenges that they are facing. After all, what counts for economic growth is not only generating new knowledge and technology, but also using and applying it. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Mr. van den Biesen. It's always refreshing to hear just a physicist saying those important and well-structured ideas about the future of ERA. Our last speaker is just an economist, André Sapir, Professor of Economics at ULB and Senior Fellow in Bruegel. Allow me to thank him in particular because he accepted at the rather last minute to participate in this conference, and personally I'm very glad he's here. Please, André.